Have you ever felt nervous at an airport because you didn't know what to say in English? What if someone asks you a simple question and you freeze? Don't worry. Today, let's learn together through a real-life conversation. Wow, Umair, this airport is so big. It's my first time flying.
Don't worry, Anum. I'll help you. Just stay calm and speak slowly.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
Let's check in first.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Sure.
Great. Your bag is within the weight limit.
That's good to hear.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:15.
Thank you very much.
Great. Now let's go through security.
I've never done this before.
It's easy. Just follow the instructions.
Please place your bag on the belt and remove your phone.
Okay.
Thank you. Please walk through the scanner.
Like this?
Perfect. You're all set.
Thank you.
See? That wasn't difficult.
I was worried for nothing.
Now we have some time before boarding.
Let's buy a bottle of water.
Good idea.
There are so many flights.
Yes, but we only need to find gate B12.
There it is.
Perfect. Let's wait here.
I'm excited now.
Attention passengers for Flight 328 to New York. Boarding will begin shortly.
That's our flight.
Let's go.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Your seats are 14A and 14B.
Thank you.
Here they are.
I'll put our bags in the overhead compartment.
Thanks.
Please fasten your seatbelt.
Umair, can you help me?
Of course. Click it here.
Oh, that's easy.
Please switch your phone to airplane mode.
Done.
Great.
Welcome aboard. Our flight today will take about 3 hours. Sit back and enjoy your journey.
The view is beautiful.
Wait until we take off. It gets even better.
I can't wait.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some orange juice?
Certainly.
I'll have water, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is relaxing.
Flying isn't scary when you're prepared.
You're right. Learning these English sentences really helps.
Practice makes everything easier.
Next time, I want to travel on my own with confidence.
And you will.
We will begin our descent shortly. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Time went by so quickly.
That's because you were enjoying the journey.
Thank you for flying with us today.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye.
Today I learned that speaking English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be clear and confident. If you were traveling alone today, which English sentence would help you the most?
And here's one more question for you. If you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you go and why? Write your answer in the comments and practice your English with us. See you in the next lesson.